Hi, M6140. Please introduce yourself.
To all employers in Hong Kong, good day. I'm Jillian De La Vega, 45 years old. I have two children. Her age is 22 years old and 18 years old. My working experience is 7 years old and 4 months in Dubai and in Kuwait and 8 years old. I 8 years and 4 months in Dubai. My working duties there in Kuwait is um, cleaning and helping my coworkers in Kuwait. And Dubai, I also my main duties there is ironing, washing, and sometimes I help also my coworkers how to cook Arabic food in Dubai.
So you know how to cook Arabic food, right?
Yes, a little bit.
A little bit. By the
Yes.
way, your highest educational attainment.
Um, 2 years, 2 years vocational course.
Okay. Since I saw that you have experience taking care of a newborn baby, which is in Dubai, so you
Yes.
know how to take good care of a baby,
Yes, I
and you
know.
have an idea how to prepare a milk, right?
Yes.
So it is okay to you to take care of a newborn.
Yes.
Okay. If the newborn is crying, what will you do?
Well, at first I will check the diaper is full. Then if the baby is still crying, I will check the body temperature if have a fever or no.
Okay, and if the baby doesn't stop to cry after you did all of your best.
I will call my madam or sir and how and then tell how and tell to my madam and sir why the
The baby is
crying
crying.
style still crying
Okay. Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
because I will take a higher salary
Okay.
to
So,
support my needs of my baby also to support the study of my baby.
okay. And how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
2 years.
And if your employer wants you to extend, it is okay with you?
Yes.
Okay. Do you have any idea how to prepare Chinese food?
I don't have no idea, but I need I willing to learn.
And how will you learn to cook?
I will check to YouTube or I see in the recipe book.
Okay. If your employer prepared some food that you are not familiar, it is okay to you to eat the food that they provide.
Yes.
It is okay to you to share jobs as a helper.
Yes.
How about sharing room with kids?
Yes.
If your employers have a prior commitment on Sunday or in a holiday setup, it is okay with you to work.
Yes.
It is okay to you to taking care of pets.
It's okay for me.
How about taking care of elderly?
It's okay for me, sir.
Okay. It is okay to you to cut your hair into short.
Pardon, please.
It is okay to you to cut your hair into
Yes,
short.
it's okay for me.
How about learning Cantonese if one of your employer's family don't know how to speak English?
Yes, I willing to learn Cantonese language.
Okay, my last question is, what will be your message for your future employer?
Sir, mom, I'm willing if I just need to become your employees. I'm what is called that?
Can you promise that you will follow the rules and regulations of
Yes,
their
yes,
house?
ma'am.
Okay, and also can you promise that you will take good care of their children as your own?
Yes.
And what can you promise to your employer if they will hire you? Um,
Pardon.
what will you promise to your employer or the good characteristic that you have if your employer wants you to become their helper?
I'm willing. I'm willing to serve a good for her, sir.
Okay, thank you very much, Miss Jeline. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.